enjoying these summer holidays. And I'm enjoying summer holidays with my grandparents. And now I'm going to make a jumbo tom painting. I know it is. It is a large tom. You should make a large circle. I know it's a secret. I won't tell to anybody. Got it? And I'll draw it and I'll show you. So, all we need is a palette, colors, large and big, large, oops, performed, large and small, brushes. Brushes are always my favorite. Do you know what is my favorite thing in craft? Painting and pencils. One thick pencil, one thin pencil. If you want thin pencil, and make sure I'm just going to draw this tom little bit darker because you need to see, right? So, and last thing is erasers. If you have erasers, and make sure you have a chart like this. This much weight is okay. And if you have this thing, sketchboard, whiteboard, you can take a tape and a chart and just take the tape and just stick to it. Boom! And now we should draw. What should I choose? I'm going to do some game with this. Pinky, pinky, ponky. Which pencil shall I choose? The thick pencil. And I need a... Now my mom is going to draw the circle. Draw, please. Now my mom has drawn a circle. This much huge circle we need. A big circle, right? If circle comes to her, they will smash us like pancakes. That's a pancake circle. So now I'm going to draw the nose. Slowly I'm going to draw the circles and the euchre and the eyes and the ear, another ear, the mouth and the body, half body to come. So, and that's all I should draw. So I'm drawing starting from the nose. So it's just going to work just like this. And I just draw like this. And like this. You need to get like this. And just like... My eyeliner have fell down. Just like this all in bed. Brush. And then I just do like this. So we should erase little bit here. Big one. Not a mistake like this. Like just my dad. He has always mistakes. Tom has no mistakes. Got your friends? All dads and moms. All dads got mistakes. On Moonland here. Make sure you draw a one more line inside, and Now the Tom's tongue will be vertical when he smiles. It is slanting line tongue. Line. This. To right the eyes. Today. So now just draw it too small, a little bit big. Crumble eyes, crumble eyebrows. Has little bit hair here, this much. And ears part, I'm so excited for the ears part. You know, Jerry is a lot more easy than Tom. Tom is also easy. Tom is my favorite. And just like this. Here you go. One ear done. Second one. Now I'll just bring it back. Now it is the twist why I love the top. Just like crown light, right? Yes, this much. Start from here. And there, and there, and there, and there. There you go. This much Tom hair will be. It looks like Tom, right, Mom?
Yes.
Yeah. So now I'm going to paint it. My favorite part. Just like this. Just like holy color, right? Holi is always my favorite festival. Oops, some spread is here. It's okay, we can clean it up. If some spread it here, it's okay, we can clean it up.